Hi everybody, my name is Shanna and I have problem 10-2 in part 2 of our homework. So our question on, and yours may be different, but mine was for problem 10-2 is Sheridan Company borrows $61,200 on July 1st from the bank by signing a $61,200 note at a 6% interest rate for a 1-year note payable. And the two things they want us to do is, for part A, is prepare the journal entry to record the proceed of the note, and part B is prepare the journal entry to record the accrued interest at December 31st, assuming adjusting entries are made only at the end of the year. So the first part's really simple. The first, on July 1st, we're going to debit cash for $61,200, and we're going to credit notes payable by $61,200, and that's all you have to do for the first part is to record it. The second part was a little bit harder for me. And there's a video in the chapter where we have to, follow along with the chapter PowerPoints. There's at the last part there's a video that shows you how to do this, and because I was really stumped until I watched that. And so the face value. So what we're going to do to figure out the interest expense and the interest payable that accrue, so prepare the journal entry to record the accrued interest at December 31st, assuming adjusting entries are made only at the end of the year. So we're going to use our formula here, face value times interest rate times time, but we're not going to use the full year, which was up here, which I thought we were going to do. So we're going to take 61,200 times 6% times 1 month over 12 months. We're going to find out what 1 month of accrued interest is. And then we can use that number to solve the problem. So, sorry. And so that number, after you multiply that, so let's do it here on the calculator. And so 61200 times 6% times 1, which is itself, divided by 12 is $360. I'm sorry, $306. But that's not our answer yet. So we take 306 is 1 month of interest accrued is, $306. And we're going to count from July 1st to December 31st. So July, August, September, October, November, December is 6 months. So we're going to take our $306 times 6 months, and that equals $1,836. So from July 1st to December 31st, the amount of accrued interest that they owe so far on the note, or that the company's gained, in that's payable to them, is $1,836. So we'll put that here. And that's all you have to do for this problem. So just remember with our notes payable problems, and when they say accrued, that means per month till it gets to the date they want. So from July 1st to December 31st, it was 6 months and $306 per month. So then you take $306 times 6, and that gives you the interest payable, interest expense, and the interest payable. So I hope this helps, and I hope you have a wonderful week. Thank you. Bye.